This slide on basic equation is going to show you how to do multiplying and division when finding the unknown. Now, previously, we learned how to add and to subtract. So, just to recap, a plus 5 equals 12. We need to find a, our unknown. So, we do the opposite of what's here, which is negative, because that gives us the a, the unknown, there, and then 12 minus 5 is 7. So what you have on this side, you have on this side too. Same for the negative. Because it's a negative question, we plus 12. And if we plus 12 here, we plus 12 there. E equals 23. So now I'm going to show you how to do multiplication and division. It's exactly the same. You do the opposite. But there's a few things you need to learn first. And this is when the letters and numbers are stuck together. So this number is stuck to that T. But what that means in maths is multiply. So that means 5 times T, which equals 5T. Then we've got 3x. Stuck together. Do the same. This means 3 times x. Let's do another one. 2y. Stuck together. So that equals 2 times y. And then another one. 8p. Means to multiply 8 times p. Okay? So you need to know that when it looks like this, it means multiply. It's stuck to it. You can't separate it, it's stuck to it. Okay, so let's go into some examples using those rules. So we need to find t, our unknown in this question. So we know that that is a multiply. Now, what is the opposite to multiply? Well, we know it's divide. So I now need to divide this by 5 and this by 5. Okay? So now we have t on its own, because that's just cancelled itself out, equals 5 divided by 25 is 5. Let's do another one. We've got, let's do it here. We've got 4x equals 32. That's a times. They're stuck together. So we need to divide by 4 to get x on its own. So this is how I do it. I put a little line underneath, not a very good line, may I add, divided by 4. I know that it's a divide now because I've just popped that there. You can put divide, doesn't make a difference, it's just what I do. So I know that 4 divided by 4 is x is 1. Cancelled out, so it's just x. And 4 divided by 32 is 8. So our unknown x is 8. Another one, let's do 10. Y equals 40. 10y stuck together means multiply. So we're going to divide by 10. So we know y equals 4. Okay? So when it's a multiply, you need to divide. So let's look at the division. Let's look at it as a different way. So let's say a divided by 5 equals 6. Okay? Now, as this is a divide sum, we need to multiply. So what you do is you multiply out those numbers and it will give you your unknown, which is A, an answer. So A equals 6 times 5, which is 30. Just separate that bit. There we go. Let's do another one. B divided by 6 equals 4. Well, it's a divide, so we need to times. 6 times 4 is 24. So our unknown B equals 24. C over 3 equals 4. Same again. It's a divide, so we're going to times. And our unknown C equals 12. Let's do another one because these are a little bit more tricky. Let's do Y over 2 equals 20. Same again, we times. So our Y equals 40. And one more. X over 4 equals 8. We know we have to multiply, so X equals 32. Okay? So you're just doing the opposite all the time. So when we times here, we divided. And when we divided here, we times. Okay. Now using the same set of skills, let's look when there's negative numbers in the equals section. So I'll just do a silly squiggle here and we will do these. So let's go with x minus 9 equals minus 3. Now, yes, that looks a bit more tricky, but it is not, I can assure you. We are using exactly the same principle. It's a negative, so we know we have to plus it. So it's going to be plus 9 equals, oh, sorry, it's not an equal. I do apologise. Ignore that. And plus 9. So we've got x on its own because minus 9 plus 9 is nothing. So x equals minus 3 plus 9, which equals 6. So our x equals 6. Another one we can do, y minus 8 equals minus 7. So it's a minus, so we're going to plus 8 on both sides. So then y equals 1 because minus 7 plus 8 equals 1. And let's do one more. Let's do, if I can find the space, let's do a minus 10 equals minus 8 plus 10 plus 10. So a equals minus 8 plus 10. So a equals 2. Okay? So that is the basic run-of-the-mill type questions, probably worth 2 marks in a exam. Method, always important. Don't just do it in your head. Let's see it written down so we can see what you've done. Yeah, all good. And I'll see you on the next video.